So you guys, I wanted to some things that you may not know about. And it's from the dollar store. So you can actually get the hyaluronic acid facial serum and the vitamin C for dark circle, anti-aging, and a collagen cream. And I think the two serums are like 155, and I think so is this cream. And I have tested it and compared it to things that I would normally get at a makeup store like Ulta, Sephora, and things like that. And I find that it works just as good. And also, I wanted to talk about the Sephora favorites $10 grab bags. I think that you can really get the best samples from those $10 bags. I mean, I got NARS translucent, the NARS translucent powder. You can get Makeup Forever Hydra Boost Step 1 primer, which is honestly my favorite primer right now. You can also get the All Nighter primer, and you can get Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Serum. Now this is good for anti-aging, wrinkles, the bags under your eyes. I mean, it just covers it all. And there was something else. Oh yeah, I love this Sephora Collection Black Brush Tip Eye Adhesive. It is the best lash adhesive that I've tried. And also, I have like a little tip. If you use the roller lash and Better Than Sex, you use the thinner one first and then you use the second one. It really fills and plumps your lashes. And I will give you an example in 1 second. So basically what I do first is I use the roller lash, and you can see the tip. It's really great for like bringing out your lashes, breaking them apart and bringing them up. And then the Better Than Sex is obviously thicker, and it starts from roots and goes up, and it really gives you a more defined look. And you can also get samples of these in the Sephora Favorites bags. You just have to wait, for the certain time. And then you can also, in those bags, receive Makeup Forever HD. You can see I use that a lot. It's one of my favorites. And then on my lips, I like to combine Kylie Jenner's lip kit with just some basic dollar store ones. And I love that it has a lipstick and a gloss built into the bottom. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to talk to you about today. Bye guys, love you.